2024 Honda Accord, servicing the cabin filter. You want to know how to pull it out. Well, it's located behind the glove box door, so we're going to get this out of the way. Now, the first thing you want to do is disconnect the damper. All you got to do is push it, and you can slide this up like that. Now, what we're going to do is come over here and push the glove box in, because it has these stoppers right here on the sides. Put this one in, and you can lower the box. You can actually take the whole door off now. Show you how that works. The cabin filter is located in this compartment here. To get this door off, push this tab in, then you pull towards you. Now you can see on this door it says airflow down. Okay, just remember that when you get your new filter, because the new filters are usually labeled. All right, so if you go with a filter that you got on Amazon, it will always be labeled, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box where you can pick up a premium filter from Amazon. Okay, so we pulled this one out. This one is super dirty. I'm going to take a picture of it, show it to my customer, recommend it to him, and then he gets a new one. We order him a new one, and we'll get that going. But when you get your new one, you just slide it back in here just like you took the old one out. Again, just make sure you have the airflow arrows pointing down like this one right here. Okay, you kind of see it. This is a factory Honda filter. Your aftermarket filters are a little better. They're a little thicker. They do a better job of controlling like odors and stuff like that when you go with a better one. So they're highly recommended. They're not much more than a factory one. We'll just line this door back up. We're gonna snap it back on here if we can. Have a hard time. It's close quarters in here, so just be patient. Lock it on like that. Get the glove box and line up your hinges. It just sits on here. It doesn't go clicking down or anything like that. We just close it, and then we get the damper here. Come down with it like a little hook. Should be able to hook where it goes. Bam, just like that. And we're all done. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate it if you support the channel by hitting the subscribe button. I got plenty of videos on my channel, like tons of videos on how to do all the cabin filters on everything. So check that out if you're interested in that. Leave a like, leave me a comment if you could, and thanks for watching.